Question number 2, part C. 4 whole raised to the power 5x minus x square equals to 4 whole raised to the power minus 6. Here the bases are the same, so we can write that the exponent are equal. Now R, we can write it, shift this x square to the right side, and this 5x will become minus 5x and minus 6 equals to 0. Now we will factorize this. So x square minus 6x plus x minus 6 equals to 0. Take x common, we get x minus 6, and 1 common, x minus 6 equals to 0. X minus 6, x plus 1 equals to 0. X minus 6 equals to 0. X plus 1 equals to 0. X equals to 6. X equals to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1, 6. This is the answer. Try part D. Part E. 5 power 5 cube equals to x plus 2 whole cube. Solution: 5 cube equals to x plus 2 whole cube, taking cube root on both sides, so we can write it cube root of 5 cube equals to cube root of x plus 2 whole cube. This cube root cancel with each other, we get 5 equals to x plus 2. Shift this 5 to the right side, so it will become x plus 2 minus 5 equals to 0. X minus 3 equals to 0, or x is equal to 3 is the answer. X minus 3 into e power x equals to 0. So here we can write x minus 3 equals to 0, and e power x can't be equal to 0 because the e value is 2.71 something. So when we get the x value 0, so it will become e power 0 mean 1, its value will be 1, otherwise it will be some value, it can't be equal to 0. So x minus 3 equals to 0, x is equal to 3 is the answer. Now part I, 3x e power minus x plus x square e power minus x equals to 0. So take x e power minus x common, here we get 3 and here we get x equals to 0. So implies that x equals to 0 and e power minus x can't be equals to 0, and 3 plus x equals to 0. Shift this 3 to the right side, minus 3. So x is equal to 0 and minus 3 is the answer. Question number 3. Write the following logarithmic function into the exponential form. So solution: in exponential form, it is written as 3 power 3 equals to 27. Solution: in exponential form, it can be written as 2 power 5 equals to 32. Similarly, in exponential form, 10 power 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, in exponential form, e power 0 equals to 1. Now part A. Log to the base 4 of 8 equals to 3 by 2. In exponential form, it is written as 4 whole raised to the power 3 by 2 equals to 8. 3 by 2 equals to 8. So we can write it 2 power 2 into 3 by 2 equals to 8. 2 cancel with 2. We get 2 power 3 equals to 8, which is equal to 8 is equal to 8. Part F. In exponential form, it is written as 9 whole raised to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 27. So we can write it 3 square whole raised to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 27. 2 cancel with 2. 3 power 3 equals to 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 equals to 27. If the question is that just write in exponential form, so then the answer is up to here. And if the question is that solve, so then you will do the whole procedure. Question number 4, 49 equals to 7 square, write in the logarithmic form. So solution, we can write it 7 square equals to 49 in logarithmic form. It is written as log to the base 7 of 49 equals to 2. Write the log here and change the place of these two. Similarly, we can write it as b whole raised to the power n equals to a. In logarithmic form, we can write it as log to the base b of a equals to n. Interchange the place of these two and solve the other part. Question number 5, find the value of x, y and b without using calculator. So solution, log to the base 3 of x equals to 2. In exponential form, it can be written as 3 whole raised to the power 2 equals to x, which implies that 9 equals to 8. X implies that x equal to 9. Similarly, in exponential form, it is written as b whole raised to the power minus 4 equals to 10 raised to the power minus 4. Now look, their exponents are equal, so b equals to 10. Their bases are equal. F, log to the base b of 1000 equals to 3 by 2. Solution, in exponential form, we can write b whole raised to power 3 by 2 equals to 1000. We can write b whole raised to power 1 by 2 whole cube equals to 10 whole cube. Now look, the exponents are the same, so implies that b whole raised to power 1 by 2 equals to 10. Squaring both sides, so we get b whole raised to power 1 by 2 whole square equals to 10 square. This 2 cancel with 2, which is equal to b equals to 100 is the answer. Question number 6, part A. Solve the following equation for the unknown x. So solution, we can write it log to the base b of x equals to, it is the property of log that this 2 by 3 will come here in the exponent of 8. So we can write it log to the base b of 8 raised to the power 2 by 3. Similarly, this 1 by 2 comes here, log to the base b of 9 power minus 1 by 2, and minus log to the base b of 6. Log to the base b of x equals to, now we know that the addition is changed into the product and the subtraction is changed into the division in log. So we can write it as log to the base b of 8 whole 2 by 3 into 9 whole 1 by 2 divided by 6. So log to the base b, we can write this 8 as 2 cube whole raised to power 2 by 3 into 3 square whole raised to power 1 by 2 divided by 6. This 3 cancel with 3. We get log to the base b of 2 whole raised to power 2 into 3, these 2 cancel with this, divided by 6. Now we can write it log to the base b of 2 square equals to 4 into 3 divided by 6, which is equal to log to the base b of 12 by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. On the left side it is log to the base b of x. So we can write it log to the base b of x is equal to log to the base b of 2. Now these two cancel with each other, we get x equals to 2. Or if you don't cut it, so just write here implies that x equals to 2. Part D, log to the base b of x plus log to the base b of x minus 4 equal to log to the base b of 21. So we can write it as log to the base b of x into x minus 4 equals to log to the base b of 21, implies that x into x minus 4 equals to 21. So here we get x square minus 4x equals to 21. Or we can write x square minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. Now factorize this. We can write it x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equals to 0. Take x common here, so we get x minus 7, and 3 common here, we get x minus 7 equals to 0. X minus 7 take common, so we get x plus 3 equals to 0. X minus 7 equals to 0, or x plus 3 equals to 0. So here we get x equals to 7, x equals to minus 3 is the answer. Part E, log to the base 10 of x minus 1 minus log to the base 10 of x plus 1 equals to 1. So we know that in log the subtraction is changed into the division, so we can write it as log to the base 10 of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 equals to 1. Now write it in exponential form. So we get 10 power 1 equals to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Now multiply this x plus 1 here, so x minus 1 remains here. Now multiply this, we get 10x plus 10 equals to x minus 1. Shift this x here and this 10 on the right side, so we get 10x minus x equals to minus 1 minus 10. Here remains 9x equals to, here remains minus 11. Divide both sides by 9, we get x equals to minus 11 by 9 is the answer. Here the value of x is minus 11 by 9, which is not possible. The domain should be always positive, so no solution. It has no solution. Part F, log to the base 10 of x plus 6 minus log to the base 10 of x minus 3 equals to 1. So we can write it log to the base 10 of x plus 6 divided by x minus 3 equals to 1 in exponential form. It is written as 10 power 1 equals to x plus 6 divided by x minus 3. Multiply this x minus 3 with this 10, so here remains x plus 6. Now multiply this, we get 10x minus 30 equals to x plus 6. Shift this 10 to the left side and this 30 to the right side, so here we get 9x and here 36. Divide both sides by 9. X equals to 4 is the answer. Question number 7. Suppose the sale of certain product are approximated by s of t equals to 125 plus 83 log of 5t plus 1. Find s of 0, s of 2, s of 4, s31. So to find s of 0, put here t equals to 0, 125 plus 83 log of 5 into 0 plus 1. So here we get 125 plus 83. Log of 5 zeros are 0 plus 1, log 1, and log 1 equals to 0. So we get here 125 plus 0, 125. Similarly, find S of 2, S of 4, S of 31 by yourself, and then draw its graph. Similarly, we will get S of 2 equals to 211.432, S of 4 equal to 234.741, and S31 equal to 307.021. So we can make a table like this: T 0, 2, 4, 10, 20, 40, 45, 31. We will get the values like these, and then we will take the x-axis as T, and S on the, we will take the S on the y-axis, and then we will plot all these points and draw the graph like this.